3D printing is an increasingly available and accessible technology. This protocol can be used to print and assemble physical molecular models that retain the dynamical qualities of real molecular systems.
Interactivity with molecular models is usually limited to showing connectivity. 3D printing can open up the exploration of conformational strain and molecular motion at a variety of scales.
It is difficult to convey motion in a static manuscript, so it is valuable to be able to see how models can be printed, assembled, and manipulated.
To prepare the model files for 3D printing, download the provided supplementary stereolithography files and upload the files to a computer with a slicer program. Import one of the carbon atom sp3, hydrogen atom, or carbon-carbon bond files into the slicer program and select the millimeter format for the units if the option is available. Click Import in the Models panel of the main window and import both the hydrogen atom dual bottom and hydrogen atom dual top files from the resulting file browser. To scale the imported model to the desired size, double-click the graphical model in the main display to open a model editing panel that enables the translation, rotation, and scaling of the target model. To duplicate the models to generate a model array, select the Duplicate Models option from the Edit menu and enter the number of model parts in the dialog box. Click Center and Arrange in the Models panel of the main window to arrange the models near the center of the build platform, and use Add from the Process panel of the main window to set the appropriate model processing settings for target prints.